You are going to love this video, so please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new uploads are published.
Hi and welcome. This video is the first in a new training series that is about how you can make money online with Clickbank. If you are new to affiliate marketing, CB is an affiliate network, and it is one of the biggest. Mr. P has been with CB for close to 20 years. Until recently, he has never had one snag with CB. Mr. P's web host caused the snag, however, CB was terrific as far as helping resolve the issue. The following training is going to focus on CB and CB products, but the strategies and methods will work with any affiliate network or product. The niche that I am choosing for this training is not the highest paying niche, but it is the best for newbies, because it offers more sub-niches and money-making keywords, which enables newbies to compete. What you are seeing is a marketing overview of the wellness niche. For Diggity Marketing, the average monthly revenue is $1,678.40. The average of content published is 437. The average of backlinks is 3,365.90. The average of hours worked per week is 2.60. The highest average monthly gross revenue is $5,661, and the lowest average monthly gross revenue is $592. As you can see, you can work less than 3 hours per week, with a potential gross revenue of over $5,000 per month. The catch that no one shares is that your website needs an average of 437 posts or pages, along with an average of over 3,300 backlinks. These numbers may seem daunting, they may seem like a deal breaker, but they are not. Your content will accumulate, but be sure to focus on quality. Quality content will last and create returns, referrals, and email sign-ups. Backlinks will also accumulate. Here is how. For each piece of content that you create, you also want to create a YouTube video that links to your page, and share news of your new content on social media sites. As your site grows, your backlinks grow. For each page that you create, also make a short video. Post your video on YouTube with a link to your content, and share your videos on social media sites. What this means is a lot of free exposure, and thus, a lot of free traffic. When you build each page and each video, build them around a keyword phrase. You can use a free tool called Keyword Explorer to help you find keywords that score well. More about keywords in a moment. Keyword Explorer is a free tool which is included in the free tools and resources that are available from TubeBuddy, which is a free Chrome extension. You will find Mr. P's affiliate link to TubeBuddy in the description. As you will see, backlinks are easier than you think. You will find more help with backlinks later in your surprise bonus. I will share several free backlink options, along with free tools, free training, and free resources that you can use for creating legitimate backlinks almost instantly. Next, we need to talk about keywords and keyword phrases. The right keywords and keyword phrases are going to help you to generate free traffic, a surprising amount of free traffic. And later, once you gain experience, keywords will help you to generate paid traffic. As far as paid traffic, Mr. P recommends that newbies do not tackle paid traffic, only because they are not ready. As a newbie, paid traffic is going to cost money, not make you money. The good news may surprise you, since you can generate lots of free traffic. What you may not realize is that this free traffic is organic traffic, which is the kind of traffic that is the best. As your content grows, so will your traffic and so will your results. What you are seeing is a snapshot of an example of why Mr. P is recommending the weight loss niche as one of the fastest ways to make money as an affiliate marketer, even as a newbie. According to Keyword Explorer, There are over 1.4 million searches per month on YouTube for the keyword phrase, weight loss diet, which has an overall score of 100%, which is the highest score. What this means to you, is that even a newbie can make money in this niche with the help of Keyword Explorer. As mentioned, it is free. One of the easiest ways you cash in on these keywords, is to create content built around keyword phrases that score well. Remember, content includes a web page and a short video. Another way is to create reviews, web pages and videos, about affiliate products, and trends, as mentioned, built around keyword phrases that score well. Of course, you will want to sprinkle in ads, links, banners, email signups, discounts, and so on. In following videos, we will explore these two money-making strategies. Next is your Backlinks bonus. They are free tools that you can use to create hundreds and even thousands of backlinks. Along with a number of free resources. You will find a link in the description to these free backlink tools and resources along with free training. In your next video in this Make Money Online with CB training, you will discover how, even a newbie, can have an unfair advantage. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Allow me to invite you to join this channel so that Mr. P can let you know when the next video is published. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.